Hi guys, this is Carrie with Fullerton's Professional Organizing, and this is my craft room. I'm going to show you a before picture and an after picture. I've rearranged it for two reasons. Well, one, I got busy in here crafting and there was a complete mess. This is a small room. It's where I craft. It's also where I do my videos, and it really became a disaster area. So first you're going to see that, and then you're going to see how I've rearranged it and how I have my craft supplies organized. So come on in and let's go see. Okay, here's my next organization area I want to show you. This is my craft room, and it is very well organized. I have little clear containers at the bottom. This is office supplies, sewing, and miscellaneous, but it looks all nice and neat and well organized. I have some decorative stuff at the top, and now here at the middle, everything's nice and organized. My sewing, and then the table that I use for my silhouette, and some more containers full of ribbon. Very well organized, but there are a few things that need to be put somewhere else. Does need a reset in here because my craft room is kind of a mess right now. Well organized, but needs a reset as far as putting things back where it goes and cleaning and tidying up my craft room. So you will see that next. All right, here is what I have done. I had these cube shelves, that one and that one, stacked on top of each other, and right here behind me when I enter in. But I'll show you what I've done. This chest of drawer basically doesn't have a lot in it. I decided to put my printer here and use this drawer for printer paper. You're going to see that this drawer has nothing in it so far. It's always nice to have empty spaces. And this, I have some crafting and some notepads. And this bottom drawer is all scrapbooking stuff that, to be honest, I haven't done in years, but it's baby pictures. They're now in their 20s. I'm hoping one day I will get to all of this, but this may be one of those items that I need to declutter and let go of, but we'll see. And then you've seen my craft cart. I have a video on that. That is just so that my desktop stays clear, because as you can see, I don't have a lot of space. And I was doing a project, so I have some vinyl out for a project. I didn't want to put it away because I'm probably going to be doing some more of that later today. This is where I put my heat press. And then I have, vase fillers, my some napkins that I iron here for when I do tea parties. I have spray paint, just some others. That blue one down at the bottom is empty because I have been doing some decluttering. This one right here, I probably need to declutter, but I haven't had the heart to get rid of that just yet. But here is my video setup, my desk. Under my desk, I do have some items, paper It's mostly paper. And this is my Silhouette Cameo 4. So I have baby stuff here to use. This is the little small heat press. Just some t-shirts and some kitchen stuff for putting vinyl on, and the stuff in the bottom, wood. This one is wood items. This one is glass items. Oh no, this one right here is floral foam. All right, now let me back up here. This is how I have it decorated on top. This is my craft dream DIY cabinet that I made, and I have it closed up right now, and we'll open that up in just a second. But the rest of the stuff is just the same. I have craft projects for Christmas that I have finished up here, some gnomes in the back, and then my decor calendar right here. Sorry, I should have thrown that in the trash. I just threw it there. I still have that decorated with some dishes that I collect here. The gnomes that I'm working on for Christmas. And then, of course, both of my closets are storage closets. Flowers. Canvases and picture frames, flowers, but everything is organized. But I like to close it off with curtain because I have to admit the curtains are a lot prettier. And in that closet, I just have all my princess dress up in there. So that's all that's in there. So let's now, oh, and in here I have some extra projects waiting to craft. And then this is my new sewing. I got this at a, I got this, well, actually, I got this cabinet here that I keep dishes in. I got that in Austin at an estate sale. And I got this sewing box here at a garage sale or estate sale in Austin, Texas. And it just is a sewing box. It has some sewing stuff in it. I really like it. All right, so now let's go ahead. We're going to open up this. It is on wheels. The carpet does make it a little bit harder, but I wanted to move it over. Now, this side is decorated with these flowers, mostly because I have so many flowers for crafting that I have no place to put them, so I might as well decorate with them. My ribbon, paper towels, more ribbon, batteries, tape, and twine. And then I have these from Dollar Tree, so everything's visible, all the items. All right, so now let's put my tape back. What I like about this is it's really easy to put things back, even though you know how it is. We don't always do that. And then up here I have another craft project I did of antique suitcase. I put pegboard to hold all of my tools, candy stash, decor stash, curling ribbon, and all my vinyl. Now let's go ahead and open up this side. And I have it decorated, and I have pegboard again to hold tools. Obviously I have some space that I can put some tools, my glitter, beads, twine and thread, and skewers and Chanel stems. Now here is this great idea I just recently discovered. These are cupcake holders from Dollar Tree, and they hold all my projects and all the crafts that I need for the project, so that I don't have to leave it out. I can just put it back on the shelf and everything's still there waiting for me when I go back to the project. And then on this side, I have it like the other side. I have those clear plastic containers from Dollar Tree to hold all the little things. Sewing tools, sewing, and then this is just miscellaneous. This is kind of like my utility drawer, my craft utility drawer for all the things that don't have a category. These are some projects that I'm working on for Christmas, so they're there, but these are where all my office supplies are. Now, if I need more room on this, in this cabinet, then those items could probably go in those drawers that I showed you that are empty. But for now, I like this, and this is the way it's set up. And then I have paint and extra space for more paint. This is just how it's organized. And then the top again decorated. And then I'm going to see, since I do have such small space in here, this is the whole craft cabinet. Now, you don't necessarily have to do what I did and go through all the trouble of attaching it and put wheels on it and all of that. You could just have 4 shelves up against the wall and put pegboard on the back and be done. But I have such a small space in here, I needed to be able to close it up if I needed to. And that is how I have it organized. And as you can see, I have my sewing machine behind my laptop. And because my space is super small, this is what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna try to back up here so you can see the whole room nice and clean from the door. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some ideas that even a small space, you can move things around and make it work if you have to. And I will see you in the next organizing video.